Are you a winter guy? Are you a winter person? I'm not a winter guy. Do you know what that means? I asked you, are you a winter guy? Or are you a winter person? That means, do you like winter? That's another way of saying you like winter. Okay? By saying the thing and then adding the word guy or person. So I said, I'm not a winter guy. Okay? Now, usually the word guy refers to men. But women, I mean, sometimes we use it for women if it's like a group. If there was like a group of women over there, imagine that. A group of women hanging out in the snow. If there was a group of women, I might say, hey guys, right? But usually if it's one woman, like usually a woman does not say, I'm a winter guy, or I'm not a winter guy. She might say, I'm not a winter gal. Okay, sometimes women use the word gal, not guy. But you can always use the word person, okay? Because a person could be a male or a female, right? So I could say, I'm not a winter person. Look at all this white stuff on the ground, guys. What's it doing here in the... It's May, guys. It's May 1st today. May 1st. Happy May. Look at that. Look at this weather, guys. It's snowing May 1st, 2024. Are you a winter person? I'm not a winter person, guys. Okay, so we can make different examples. I'll give you some examples, okay? Are you a math guy? Are you a math guy? Are you a math person? It means, do you like math? Are you good at it? Do you enjoy it? You know, you could say, I'm not a math guy. I'm more of a science person. Back when I was in high school, I was more of a science person than a math person. How about pizza? Do you like pizza? You can say, I'm not really a pizza guy. I prefer... Oh, it's windy here, guys. I better go hide behind. I'm gonna go back this way so you can actually hear me, so that the wind doesn't ruin my audio. So if you're not a pizza guy, you might be I don't know, what most people like pizza, right? What else could what's the opposite of pizza? What if people don't like pizza, what do they like? I can't think of anything, guys. Maybe pierogies? Do you like pierogies? Pierogies are like a food that some dog wants to eat pierogies. Pierogies are like little pouches with like stuff inside, maybe some vegetables or some meat, almost like dumplings in a way. Like dumplings are like a Chinese food, right? Pierogies are usually fried or maybe boiled. So a lot of people in Canada like pierogies. I don't know. What do you like, guys? So you can use this for anything. You can say, I'm a pizza guy. That means you like pizza, right? I'm not really a summer person. You could say I prefer winter. So, you know, you can use this to say you like or you dislike if you're not that guy, right? You could say, I'm not really a hat guy. I never wear hats. I don't like hats. I'm not really a hat guy. Or you could say, I'm a hat guy. I'm a hat person. I like hats. I like wearing hats, you know. I'm not really a winter sports guy. You know, I prefer summer sports. I'm not really a movie guy. I don't like watching movies. I'm more of an outdoor activities guy rather than an indoor kind of person, right? So you just anything, guys. You can use this for, just give me some examples down in the comments. You know, what kind of person are you? It's just a way to say kind of who you are, what you like, what your interests are. So guys, well, that's it. There's my video for today. It's too cold out here. I'm gonna go back and warm up. But I just wanted to take you on a nice winter walk here in the snow and teach you the word guy or person. So that's it, guys. Remember, you can use the word gal if you want. If you're a woman, you can say I'm a pizza gal, maybe, or a, you know, it's just remember one thing, you can always use the word person. That's easy. Yeah? You can say I'm a pizza person. I'm a nature I'm a nature person. I like going out in nature. I like hearing the birds. I like going for walks in the mountains or whatever. So guys, leave your examples down in the comments. As always, I'm freezing. Guys, I'm freezing. It is so cold out here. As always, I love you so much. Thank you for always leaving nice comments and for smashing that like button. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it's nice and warm where you are in your country. And well, guys, from here in wintry Alberta, Canada, I wish you a great day, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.